In the heart of a bustling market in a small Islamic town, there lived a humble merchant named Farid. He was known for his unshakable sense of contentment and his ability to find happiness in every situation, no matter how challenging. One bright and bustling day at the market, a young traveler named Amina approached Farid, intrigued by his unwavering smile and peaceful demeanor. She asked, "Dear merchant, how do you remain so content and joyful in a world filled with ups and downs?" Farid welcomed Amina and invited her to sit beside his stall, adorned with colorful fabrics and fragrant spices. Surrounded by the vibrant market, he began to share an Islamic story with her. In the Quran, Farid began, "There is a verse that guides us to find contentment in all situations. It says, 'And he found you lost and guided you.' This verse reminds us that even in moments of difficulty, there is guidance and purpose." Amina listened intently, her curiosity piqued. Farid continued, "Happiness is not the absence of problems, but the ability to deal with them. Remember that every situation, whether pleasant or challenging, is a test from Allah. Embrace these tests, learn from them, and have faith that there is a greater plan." Amina absorbed these words, realizing that true happiness was not dependent on external circumstances, but on one's perspective and faith. Over time, Amina's visits to the market became more frequent. She learned from Farid the art of finding joy every moment and the importance of unwavering faith in the face of life's trials. The story of Farid and Amina serves as a reminder that Islamic teachings guide believers to find contentment in all situations, knowing that even challenges have a purpose. With this perspective, true happiness can be achieved regardless of life's ups and downs. Farid's unwavering contentment and Amina's transformation exemplify the wisdom found in Islamic tradition, teaching that happiness is a state of the heart and mind, achievable by those who seek it through faith and gratitude.